Yeah, great. Maybe. So my name is Stefan Holmström. I am an opera singer, voice teacher, and I'm an Estill voice trainer. And I'm really excited to be teaching people a little bit more about Swedish pronunciation using Estill voice training. So if you look at, at this person in cross-section, we call this the vocal tract, the throat, back of throat, the mouth, and sometimes even the nose. And that vocal tract can change shape, and that's how we make different sounds. And as you can see, the main player is going to be the tongue. It's really big. And also, as you can see, the lips here, they're like a final frontier before your sound reaches the world. And again, how does it feel?
It's hard.
Does it feel hard? Yeah.
Yes.
In this workshop, we are going to get you to be a little bit more aware of exactly what you're doing with the tongue and with the lips. So we're going to take you to the tongue gym. We're going to take you to the lip gym and teach you to use them maybe in a new way. Isn't this just a great time learning some new skills?
It's going to be so much fun, and we're really looking forward to having you with us for this workshop on Thursday, the 2nd of April.
See you there.